In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a date in Adobe Acrobat. First, we will start by going to the Tools menu and selecting Prepare Form. To do this, look at the top of your Adobe Acrobat window. You will see a menu bar. Click on the word Tools. This will open a new panel on the right side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Prepare Form. Click on it. This is a crucial step because it opens the form editing features you need to work with. Once you select Prepare Form, you will see your document ready for editing. You might notice a toolbar appear at the top. This indicates that you are now in form editing mode. Next, click the Date field icon in the top toolbar, or you can add a text field instead. The Date field icon looks like a small calendar. It's usually located in the top section of the toolbar that appeared when you selected Prepare Form. If you choose to use the text field instead, that option is also available. To add the date field, simply click and drag it onto your document. You will see a dotted outline appear, showing where the field will be placed. This is important because it allows you to customize where the date will appear on your form. Once you release the mouse button, the field will be inserted. Now right-click the field you just added and select Properties. This action will bring up a new window where you can customize the field. Right-clicking is essential because it opens the Properties menu, allowing you to adjust the settings for the date field. You will see various tabs in this window. Make sure you are on the General tab first to ensure that the field is set up correctly. This step is crucial for tailoring the field to your specific needs. Go to the Format tab next. In this tab, you will find options to format the information entered in this field. This is an important step as it determines how the date will be displayed. Choose Date as the category from the list of options. Once you select Date, you will see additional choices for different date formats appear. For example, you can choose formats like month/day/year or day/month/year. Selecting your preferred date format makes sure that the date is displayed consistently throughout your document. After you have selected your preferred date format, make sure to save your changes. This is a simple but vital action. It ensures that all the adjustments you've made to the date field are preserved in your document. You can save by clicking the Save icon in the toolbar or selecting File and then Save from the menu. You will see a confirmation appear letting you know that your changes have been successfully saved. This gives you peace of mind that your work is not lost. With that ready, you can now close the Properties window. Simply click the Close button at the top right corner of the Properties dialog. This will return you to the main form editing view. You will see that your date field is now fully functional and ready to be used. This is a great step because you can now test the field to make sure it captures the date correctly. Now you have successfully added a date field to your document in Adobe Acrobat. Repeat these steps as needed for other fields or for different documents. Each time you do, it will become easier and quicker. Remember, this process not only enhances your forms but also ensures they are user-friendly and professional. Thank you for following along, and happy editing!